I'm Katie Zaferes from USA.
And my name's Hayden Wilde and I'm from New Zealand.
We are here to learn more about the Maltese culture, and we're going to get to take out some regatta boats. I have been on a rowing machine twice this past week, so pretty much been training for this. We're going to get to race Henri and Emma, the swimmers, and like literally they are swimming. In theory, a boat should be faster.
Yeah.
Leave it to us.
Well, we're both in the blue jerseys this weekend, so hopefully we can step it up with the swimming.
It's going to be more difficult for them to turn around. We're a little bit more agile in the water, so hopefully that gives us the advantage.
I don't know what I'm doing.
See if we can pull one out of the bag and take one for the boys. Alrighty. Oh, my pants are falling off. Go for the win! Yes! My pants fell off, but it's okay. Another gold medal for the Royals of New Zealand.
I'm very, very competitive, so I'll take every and any win I can get. Very happy with that one.
Yeah, any win in the water against Henri's a win for me, so yeah, I'll take that one for sure.